Good afternoon, students. I wanted to welcome you to the first week of ACC306 Financial Reporting 2. This week, we're going to be studying Chapter 7. This chapter is going to introduce the time value of money and initiate several computations involving the time value of money. Basic concepts of the time value of money are going to be introduced through explaining concepts of simple interest, compound interest, and effective interest rates, and calculation of present and future value, single sum, and annuity problems. You'll have a discussion board due. It's due on Thursday by 11:59 p.m., your initial post. And then you have 2 responses that'll be due by midnight or 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. You have 1 homework assignment in My Accounting Lab this week. And just a quick reminder, there'll be a final project in this course. It is completed in My Accounting Lab, and it is cumulative, meaning it's going to cover everything that we cover in the entire class. The project is going to be available at least 2 weeks before the due date. It's due by 11:59 p.m. on the last day of the course, and I recommend that you get started on it as quickly as possible. Let's talk a little bit more about Chapter 7. So Chapter 7 introduces the time value of money and introduces several computations involving the time value of money. Learning Goal 1 addresses the basic concepts of the time value of money by explaining concepts of simple interest, compound interest, and effective interest rates. Learning Goal 2 walks the students through a series of single-sum problems, including future value and present value. The authors of your textbook, they use 4 approaches to explain how to solve single-sum problems. They use a formula solution, factor table solutions, spreadsheet solutions, and financial calculator solutions. An example problem is provided for each type of problem presented. I recommend that you use all 4 methods. You learn all 4 methods. My favorite, however, is number 2, factor table solutions. If you can learn how to use the tables, that's the easiest way to do time value of money problems. And once you master the tables and really understand them, it makes it all a lot easier. That's my personal preference, so look at all 4 methods and decide which one is going to work the best for you. Learning Goal 3 further expands on the time value of money concept by discussing annuities. The authors address time value of money calculations in the context of ordinary annuities and annuities due. You need to understand the difference between single-sum time value of money calculations and annuity time value of money calculations. As with the single-sum problems, each problem is discussed using the 4 approaches: formula solutions, factor table solutions, spreadsheet solutions, and financial calculator solutions. And an example problem is provided for each type of problem presented. Learning Goals 4 and 5 wrap up the chapter by covering deferred annuities for future and present value and time value of money applications, specifically the present value of expected cash flows and bond valuations. And then finally, you'll apply time value of money concepts to accounting applications involving determining the present value of expected cash flows and valuing bonds. So good luck, everybody. I hope you enjoy the material this week, and I'll see you in the discussion. Have a great week, everyone.